Dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see the key answers for KSEEB Model Paper 1.
KSEEB Science 2020-21 Model Paper 1 Key Answers. Question 1. The SI unit of electric charges is option A volt, option B ampere, option C coulomb and option D joule.
Answer option C coulomb.
Question 2. The suitable focal length of the convex lens used as magnifying lens to read hallmark 916 written on ornaments is option A 12 cm, option B 60 cm, option C 100 cm and option D 120 cm.
Answer option A 12 cm.
Question 3. The magnetic field lines inside a solenoid are in the form of parallel straight lines. The reason for this is the magnetic field line inside the solenoid is option A very high, option B uniform, option C 0 and option D produced by electricity.
Answer option B uniform.
Question 4. If the radius of curvature of a lens is 30 cm, then what is its focal length?
Answer given. The radius of curvature is 30 cm. We know that the radius of curvature is twice the focal length. Now, focal length is equals to r by 2, which is equal to 30 divided by 2. F is equals to focal length is equal to 15 cm.
Question 5. In the experiment of refraction through a glass slab, the angle of incidence should be less than 90 degree. Why?
Answer. If angle of incidence is 90 degree, then the angle of refraction is equals to 90 degree. The incident ray will travel in the glass slab without any deviation.
Third main, answer the following question. 2-mark questions.
Question number 6. Draw the ray diagram to show the formation of image by a convex lens when the object is kept between two f1 and f1. f1 is principal focus of the convex lens.
Draw a convex lens, then as given, the object is placed between 2f1 and f1. Now by using any of two light rays, we get the image.
Question 7. The resistivity of two conductors A and B are 1.62 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter and 5.20 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. Which of them is used in transportation of electricity? Second one, the making of heating coils. Why?
Conductor A is used in transportation of electricity because it has low resistivity, which offers less resistance to the flow of current.
Conductor B is used in making of heating coils because higher the resistivity, large amount of heat is produced. They do not get oxidized easily.
Question number 8. Observe the following table. Complete the table using Ohm's law.
Answer. Mathematically, the Ohm's law can be written as V is equals to I into R. In case 1, R is equals to V divided by I is equals to 120 divided by 2 is equals to 60 ohm. Equals 60 ohm. In case 2, V is equals to I into R is equals to 1.5 into 60 is equals to 90 volts. In case 3, I is equals to V divided by R is equals to 60 divided by 60 is equals to 1 ampere.
Fourth main, answer the following questions. 3-mark questions. Question 9. Draw the diagram of an electric generator. Label the following parts. 1. Carbon brushes. 2. Rings.
Draw the diagram of an electric generator from the unit magnetic effects of electric current.
Question 10. Explain the experiment to find out the focal length of a convex lens. The focal length of a convex lens is 100 cm. Find its power.
The convex lens is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges and is also known as converging lenses.
Step 1. Hold a convex lens in your hand, direct it towards the sun or any light source.
Step 2. Focus the light from the sun or any source of light on a sheet of paper. Obtain the sharp image of the sun or any light source.
Step 3. Measure the distance between the position of the lens and position of the image of the sun. Therefore, the distance gives the approximate focal length of the convex lens. Now, in this sub-question, we need to find out the power of the convex lens. Given focal length equals 100 cm.
Given focal length is equals to 100 cm, converting it in the terms of meters. 1 meter. Now we know that power of lens is its reciprocal of its focal length. P is equals to 1 by F, which is equal to 1 by plus 1 meter. P is equals to plus 1 diopter. Plus sign indicates its convex lens.
Choice question. An object is kept at a distance of 30 cm from a diverging lens of focal length 15 cm. At what distance the image is formed from the lens? Find the magnification of the image.
Answer given. Object distance is equals to minus 30 cm. Focal length is equals to minus 15 cm. We are taking negative sign because it is diverging lens.
Using lens formula, 1 by V equals 1 by F plus 1 by U. Substituting the value of U and F in the lens formula to get the image distance.
1 divided by V is equals to 1 divided by minus 15 plus 1 divided by minus 30. By taking LCM, we get minus 2 minus 1 divided by 30, which is equal to minus 3 divided by 30. We get image distance as V is equals to minus 10 centimeter.
Magnification. M equals image distance by object distance. By substituting, we get M equals 1 by 3.
Question 11. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of solar cells.
The advantages of solar cells are: A. The solar cells convert solar radiation into electricity. B. Solar cells can be set up in remote areas. C. Solar cells have no moving parts and hence need no maintenance.
Disadvantages of solar cells. A. Efficiency is low and cost is high. B. Entire process of manufacture is very expensive. C. Availability of the special grade silicon for making solar cells is limited.
Fourth main, answer the following questions. 4-mark question. Question 12. Explain the principle of working of simple electric motor. What is the role of split rings in an electric motor? How are commercial motors different from simple electric motor?
Answer. Principle of electric motor. An electric motor works on the principle that a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences a force. The direction of force is given by Fleming's left hand rule.
The role of split ring commutator is to reverse the direction of current in the coil after every half rotation. Principle of electric motor. An electric motor works on the principle that a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences a force. The direction of force is given by Fleming's left hand rule.
Role of split rings. The role of split ring commutator is to reverse the direction of current in the coil after every half rotation.
Differences between commercial motor and simple electric motor. In commercial electric motors, field coils are used for producing magnetic field and not a permanent magnet. As in the simple electric motors, these coils becomes magnetized when current passed through them.
Choice question. Explain the following with reference to the magnetic field around a straight conductor carrying current. First one, tracing the pattern of magnetic field. Insert the thick wire through the center normal to the plane of a rectangular cardboard. Sprinkle some iron fillings uniformly on the cardboard. Close the key so that the current flows through the wire. Gently tap the cardboard a few times. The iron filings align in a pattern of concentric circles around the copper wire.
Case 2. Increasing the intensity of magnetic field. The intensity of magnetic field depends on the current in the coil. By increasing the current in the conductor, we can increase the intensity of magnetic field. Case 3. Reversing the direction of electric current. Reversing the direction of electric current will change in the direction of magnetic field lines.
Question 13. State Ohm's law. Mention the factors on which resistance of a conductor depends on. B. State Joule's law of heating and write the mathematical formula of this law.
Answer A. Ohm's law. The potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided its temperature remains the same. V is directly proportional to I, or V equals I into R. Answer A. Ohm's law. The potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided its temperature remains the same. V is directly proportional to I, or V equals I into R.
The factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. First one, on its length. Second, area of cross section. Third, nature of its material.
B. Joule's law of heating. The heat produced in a resistor is 0.1 directly proportional to the square of current. 2. Directly proportional to the resistance for a given current. 3. Directly proportional to the time for which current flows. Mathematically, H equals I square RT. The heat produced in a resistor is 1. Directly proportional to the square of current. 2. Directly proportional to the resistance for a given current. 3. Directly proportional to the time for which current flows. H equals I square RT. Now, part B, chemistry.
14th question. The gas liberated when an acid reacts with a metal is option A, hydrogen, option B, chlorine, option C, carbon dioxide, option D, nitrogen dioxide.
Answer option A, hydrogen.
15th question. The hydrocarbon that undergoes addition reaction among the following is option A, C2H6, option B, C3H8, option C, CH4, option D, C3H6.
Answer option D, C3H6.
Question 16. In modern periodic table, as we move from left to right along the period, the atomic size of the elements. Option A increases, option B does not change, option C decreases, option D first increases and then decreases.
Answer option C, decreases.
Question 17. Is it possible to test the hardness of water using detergents? Give reason for your answer.
Answer. It is not possible to test the hardness of water because detergents form lather with both hard water and soft water. Hence, detergents cannot be used to test the hardness of water.
Question 18. In the modern periodic table, the elements of 17th group are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine respectively. Which element has highest ability to receive electrons? Why?
Answer. Fluorine has highest ability to receive electrons because as we move down the group, the effective nuclear charge experienced by the valence electrons is decreasing because the outermost electrons are farther away from the nucleus. Hence, fluorine has the highest ability to receive the electrons.
19th question. Ionic compounds have high melting points. Why?
Ionic compounds have high melting point because a considerable amount of energy is required to break the strong interionic attraction. Answer. Ionic compounds have high melting point because a considerable amount of energy is required to break the strong interionic attraction. Hence, ionic compounds have high melting point.
Answer the following questions. 2 marks question. Question number 20. Name the ketone having 4 carbon atoms and write its structure.
Answer. The ketone having 4 carbon atom is butanone. But indicates 4 carbon atom. The suffix -one indicates the functional group ketone, that is C double bond O. Now you can practice this structure.
Choice question. Explain combustion reaction of carbon compounds with an example.
Answer. Carbon in all its allotrophic form burns in oxygen to give carbon dioxide along with the release of heat and light. Example, C plus O2 gives CO2 plus heat and light. Second example, CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O plus heat and light.
Question 22. The gas liberated when sodium carbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid is passed through lime water, a white precipitate is formed. But when the same gas is passed through the lime water in excess, precipitate is not visible. Why?
Answer. Carbon dioxide gas is released. On passing excess carbon dioxide gas, lime water, the following reaction takes place. CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2 gives CaHCO3 twice, which is soluble in water. Precipitate of calcium carbonate dissolves due to the formation of soluble calcium bicarbonate.
Answer the following questions. 3 marks question. 23rd question. Explain the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table.
Answer. The limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table are: A. Position of isotopes. Isotopes of various elements cannot be filled into Mendeleev's table.
B. No fixed position for hydrogen. Hydrogen resembles both alkali metals and halogens, and thus no fixed position could be given to hydrogen in the periodic table.
C. Anomalies of atomic weights and properties of elements. If arranged according to gradation in chemical properties, elements of higher atomic weights are to be placed before those of lower atomic weights at some places. This is contrary to Mendeleev's law.
D. Falling of dissimilar elements in same group. Some chemically similar elements fall in different groups, while some chemically dissimilar elements are placed together. Example, copper, silver and gold are placed in the same group.
Choice question. Explain the limitations of Newland's law of octave.
Answer. Newland's law of octaves was applicable only up to calcium. After calcium, every eighth element did not possess the same properties similar to that of the first.
Newland assumed that there were only 56 elements existed in the nature and no more elements would be discovered in the future. But later on, several new elements were discovered whose properties did not fit into law of octaves.
In order to fit elements into this table, Newland adjusted two elements in the same slot and also put some unlike elements under the same column.